My supply chain is usually a well-oiled machine, but the pandemic has caused chaos, leaving suppliers quite lean. Quick adjusting has been needed each quarter to ensure we can fulfill each critical gift and every order. Oracle Cloud SCM has been flexible and fast, adding new partners to get the parts we need in a blast. With suppliers in check, we can now move quite swiftly, building dollhouses, scooters, and cars really quickly. With IoT sensors across all of our stations, we use Cloud SCM track and trace to monitor presence across the whole operation. We're on a tight deadline with Christmas Eve so near, but with all our systems tracked and connected, we're all set to start spreading holiday cheer.